Pero Sir Homer, pag ito ay nalaman, posibleng pag ito ay totoo, pag na-expose natin ito, posibleng masira ang career ng dalawa na ito.
Yes, but not necessarily, because again, people can compartmentalize. And number one, I'm sorry, let me rephrase. Number one, ano, you have to look at the extent of the involvement, di ba? Kung hindi naman talaga sila involved masyado, na ginamit lang yung pangalan nila, which is possible, di ba? Ginamit lang ang
Mm.
pangalan nila because they're big names. And then, the fans naman, sports is a very forgiving culture. And sports fans tend to be very good at compartmentalizing. Na like for instance,
Okay.
itong si player na to masungit, but I don't watch his games to see if he's a good boy or not. I watch him for his points ability to score, for his rebounding, his defense. So, it's not a given na masisira yung career nila. Pao, is it better now?